Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dish pack is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of moving or storing your precious dishware and glassware. Avoiding breakages requires careful planning and the right materials, from sturdy boxes and packing paper to bubble wrap and specialized dividers, to ensure that your delicate items remain intact throughout the entire process. This video will guide you through selecting the best packing materials to protect your valuable dishes and glasses. Number 5. 100 foam pouches and sheets. It's moving day. Don't worry about your breakables. These foam pouches and sheets will keep everything safe and sound. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, they provide superior protection for your valuables during transit. They're ideal for wrapping furniture legs, protecting dishes, and storing delicate seasonal items. They're perfect for all your fragile items. This set includes a variety of sizes of pouches and sheets to fit all your needs. You'll find the perfect size for every item. They're the perfect complement to your other packing supplies. Use them with boxes, paper, and bubble wrap for ultimate protection. You get 60 pouches and 40 sheets in a range of sizes, 7.5 by 7.5, 7.5 by 12, and 12 by 12 inches. There's a size for every item you need to protect. What we like? It offers a variety of sizes to suit different items. If you're on a budget and need versatile protection for your dishes and glasses, this is a great option. Its affordability makes it perfect for those moving on a tight budget or packing a smaller number of items. What people say. This 100-piece cushion foam pouches and sheet set is exactly what I needed for storing and packing fragile items. The variety of sizes is super handy, making it perfect for protecting everything from Christmas decor to dishes during storage or a move. The quality is fantastic, offering a great level of protection without being too bulky. They're also easy to use, just slide your items in, and they're ready to go. Recently moved across country and these came in so handy for packing. Used not only for dishes but for groupings of like items to keep them together. Good quality and handy to use. Number 4. Ecoducer Honeycomb Packing Paper. Introducing our Honeycomb Packing Paper, a sustainable and easy-to-use solution for all your packaging needs. It's perfect for protecting your fragile items during a move or for shipping online orders. This versatile paper easily conforms to oddly shaped items. Simply stretch it and wrap, creating a custom cushion of any thickness. With 164 feet of length and a 15-inch width, it provides 60% more length than other brands. You'll have plenty to wrap even the largest items. No scissors or tape needed. Tear it, twist it, or gently squish it to seal your items. It's quick, convenient, and mess-free. It comes with 100 feet of jute twine and 48 fragile stickers, offering a complete and eco-friendly packaging solution. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty. Make a switch to a sustainable alternative. It's recyclable and biodegradable, reducing your environmental impact. It also looks more elegant than plastic. What we like? It's a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious movers. If you're looking for a long-lasting, easy-to-use solution that's kind to the planet, this is it. The extra length means less waste and fewer replacements, perfect for large moves or those who frequently ship items. What people say. This moving paper has been a lifesaver and we have used it to move a few times. We've used it for dishes, pottery, artworks, and glassware. Great idea as you expand the paper it folds out to create a cushion between glass items. Honeycomb style. Expands out almost double the coverage. Great for packing dishes and glasses. I just moved to a new home and thought I would give this packing paper a shot. This honeycomb paper is so cool, you just stretch it out and it wraps any shape and locks onto itself when you overlap. So easy to use and protected everything I wrapped, not one thing broke in transit. Best part was that I unwrapped everything and just tossed it into the recycle bin. No extra waste and nothing to wash. I bought one roll and was able to pack an entire kitchen along with other glassware around the house and still had some left over. It goes a long way. Number 3. Foam wrap sheets cushioning. These versatile foam sheets are perfect for protecting your belongings during moves, shipments, or storage. They're available in 4 convenient sizes to fit any item. You'll receive 80 sheets total, with 20 of each size to handle all your packaging needs. This ensures you have the right size for every item. The low-density foam easily conforms to any shape, providing excellent protection for fragile items. Simply wrap your items for secure cushioning. These lightweight yet strong sheets offer superior protection and flexibility, making it easy to wrap items of any shape and size. They're ideal for glass and other delicate items. Use them for moving, shipping, or storage. They protect against moisture and impacts, keeping your valuables safe. Perfect for dishes, furniture, and more. It's important to protect the environment. These sheets are tested for 24 chemical compounds and are safe for reuse and recycling. Reduce, reuse, recycle. What we like. This provides superior protection for your fragile items. If you need a large quantity of cushioning for a big move, or if you're looking for reliable protection for your most delicate items, this is the best choice. The thick foam ensures your items arrive safely, no matter the journey. What people say. The foam sheets also work well for extra padding and wrapping fragile items. These pouches were the perfect solution to protect everything in transit. Her dinner plates were 10.58 inches in diameter and fit easily in the large pouches. Number 2. XFasten Honeycomb Packing Paper. It stretches up to 1.6 times its size, providing extra cushioning and making it a cost-effective solution for protecting your fragile items during a move. This packing paper grips securely to prevent scratches while providing excellent protection against shocks and bumps during transit. Its honeycomb design offers exceptional cushioning and protection against extrusion, keeping your delicate items safe and sound. It's lightweight and easy to handle, minimizing added weight to your shipments and reducing transportation costs. The package includes 20 bold, clear fragile stickers to ensure your items are handled with extra care during shipping and delivery. Whether you're moving dishes, breakables, or china, this packing paper is gentle yet effective, providing the protection you need for a stress-free move. What we like. It's incredibly versatile and stretches to fit various shapes and sizes. If you're looking for a lightweight yet strong solution that doesn't break the bank, this is a great option. The stretch factor means you can use less material to achieve the same level of protection. What people say. Absolutely no damage to their leaves, held them perfectly in place for a long and bumpy ride in the back of the moving truck. This is perfect for wrapping and protecting precious items. It is flexible, cushioning, and conforms to whatever you need to box or store. It's durable because it molds and stretches around oddly shaped items to protect them. It kept my glassware safe and everything arrived intact. Number 1. ALIN 60 Foam Pouches. These foam pouches are perfect for protecting your delicate items during a move or when shipping. They're ideal for mugs, glasses, dishes, and more. Wrap furniture legs and corners with these pouches to prevent scratches and damage. It adds an extra layer of security during transit. Keep your valuable collectibles, picture frames, and glass objects safe and sound. They're also great for storing seasonal items like Christmas ornaments. With a thickness of 1/12, these double-layer pouches provide superior cushioning and protection for your fragile possessions. You get 60 pouches in a variety of sizes, 20 of 7.5 by 7.5 inches, 20 of 7.5 by 12 inches, and 20 of 12 by 12 inches. Find the perfect fit for all your items. These pouches are a great addition to your other packing supplies. Use them with boxes, paper, bubble wrap, and more for ultimate protection. What we like. It provides excellent protection for your fragile items. If you prioritize durability and want a reliable solution for protecting your most precious items, this is a great choice. The double-layer foam ensures superior cushioning and protection during transit. What people say. First, if you are planning to pack dishes or any glassware for a move, these are ideal. Second, they are reusable. I oftentimes will store my good dishes using these. The material is easy to work with, very durable, great cushioning. Various sizes make it easier to pack breakables. These help me to quickly and easily pack my dishes. I had all 3 sizes that were stated and used them all, more than once. Since we were moving in town, I'd take a box to the new house, unpack it, and use the same material to pack up more in the old house. These went back and forth a few times and held up nicely the whole time. I love the envelope style of this foam. It was so quick and easy to wrap up plates, mugs, and glasses. I also used them for other fragile items. Everything made it safely to my new home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.